And today we're taking a look at how to open a bottle cap without a bottle cap opener. So you have your ice cold, cool to the touch bottle of water, or your cold liquid gold favorite drink, bubbly, sparkling soda pop. What else you thought I was gonna say? But you don't have a bottle cap opener. And you always say to yourself, I do this every weekend. I should have been a 3rd down black belt already, but you're not. And you know next weekend, same thing is gonna happen. Don't worry, here in the StatUpBox team, we got you covered. And the first thing you wanna verify is that you don't have a twist cap, because now most beverages, you can twist them off. Another pro tip, if you're staying in a hotel, you can call reception and verify. But we know if you're watching this video, you're part of the boss squad. And we know you haven't used your teeth yet because you know the dentist is more expensive. So let's go ahead and start opening some bottles. And we're gonna start with the easiest one, and that's finding a flat surface, preferably metal. You can use wood or ceramic, but that's at your own risk because you can scrape or crack any of them. And I don't mean the precious liquid. Once we have the flat surface, you want to place the teeth on top. In our case, we're using the doorknob of the hotel, and you want to use a side that does not move, because the last thing you want is to have a party in the hospital and going from the boss to that guy. And what you want to do is give it a nice tap on the cap. But let's say you don't have a flat surface. What's better than using another bottle to open a bottle? So the one that you have in the bottom is the one that we're gonna open. Like most of these techniques, you want to hold the bottle on the neck the closest to the cap, because the idea is to create leverage between your hand knuckles and the object that you're using to open the bottle cap. And the quicker you do this, the better the result. And don't worry if you don't get it in the first try. You can always try again. But let's say you only have one bottle. One thing you might have is your keys. And what we want to do is take out one of the keys from the set, and always best the one with the flatter sides, and using the same technique like before, creating leverage from your hand to the cap. But let's say you don't have a key either, but you do have a ring, and the bigger the ring, the better. What we want to do is place the ring under the teeth and then pull up to the other side. And remember, when using any of these techniques, you always want to do it in a snap, because that's going to make it easier to remove that cap. And you saw how that rhymed. Another technique is using a lighter. We don't smoke, and we encourage you not to, because we want to see you here watching the next video. And most importantly, we love you all. But usually where there's beverages, there's food, and sometimes there's a grill. So that's how we have our lighter, so we could burn those manuals that we reviewed, so we could turn on that paper for the barbecue. And once again, we want to use the same technique. We want to hold the beverage by the neck the closest to the cap and create leverage with the object, placing it under the teeth of the cap. We've just lost a friend. A moment of silence, please. And remember, if any of these techniques don't work the first time, you can make sure that the second time it's going to be a lot easier, because you already gave it that loosening that it needed. And now that you receive your black belt on bottle cap opening, now you know you can be the boss of that party. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.